It's November. I looked at the Calgary real estate stats so that you don't have to, and here's what you need to know. Demand for housing is still strong in Calgary. October's sales slightly higher than September sales, and that we're 24% higher in October than we have been over a long-term trend. So supply continues to be the biggest problem that we face. It is getting better from our lows last year, but it's still driving the market, especially in that 300,000 to 650,000 range. Above that, supply starts to get better and you start seeing more balanced range. It's that under 650 where more supply is going to sell. Townhouses are a funny one because the sales have been slowing since June when they peaked. And in this case, it's actually supply that are over 400,000 that are selling and under that aren't. But the reason for that is it's a supply problem, not a demand problem. If we had more townhouses hitting the market under 400,000, they'd be selling. It's basically a case that I think we sold most of them already in the last year and a half, and now slower to get them to market. What's interesting here, so above that 400,000, 70% of the sales in the segment last month were in that one, and that's versus 47% a year ago. So yeah, prices have come up, but you can see where that lack of supply is impacting the sales. So if you had the supply, it would sell. So it's a similar story for apartments where supply is impacting the amount of sales that we could hit, but it is a bit more balanced between that $300,000, $500,000 range, more of a balanced market there. And we're really seeing an impact from new apartment projects on the listings around them. So people are seeing those new apartments hitting and the ones that are around are sitting. So on the whole, we've kind of got a tale of two markets in Calgary. That low to mid range, think about 650 and under. Across segments, if you put it on the market, it's going to sell, but we are in search of supply. Above that, especially like that 650 to a million, it's more balanced. And then as we get higher, a little bit more buyer's market-ish. I'm really looking forward to seeing what happens with these new mortgage rules where you don't need the full 20% down payment over $1 million, lowering interest rates, what that's going to do to the mid and upper ranges. What do you think is going to happen to the Calgary real estate market in 2025? Let me know in the comments.